Ki pat ba nong pendon kam ye ki tendong le er shen ha ka thai nong po ila dap da ka jing khi kuslai. Namar ka jing sedang banduna ka jing pen poi de ki agency ba pher. Halor ka ni ka jing e jing ki pat ba na ka liang ka office u deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district. Ula lum ye ka jing alang hapdeng ki nong penya ye ki gas agency haringkat ki officer ha ka bala thawru ya ka district LPG supply monitoring committee ban khmi halor ka jing pen biang ye ki tendong le er shen jing e jing ki nong pen dan kam gas. U Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ulapan pau bahadien ka jinglong jingman nakathma klakta shisha ha ka baya de bat ki jingpen biang ki tendang le er shen Henry la ong ba ki pat ba kim de bun khuslai namar ka jingshalan ka dang biang bat ba ki pat ba kin am kat kum ki pali ba ki la buk ye ki tendang le er shen.
We understand because of the international reasons, LPG cylinders are indeed in short supply as compared to the previous situation and as compared to the normal situation. However, as per the instructions of the Government of Meghalaya, we have formed one district LPG supply monitoring committee, and we had our first meeting today itself, wherein we took stock of all the requirements that have been placed with the gas agencies. We also took stock of the current stock position of all the gas agencies. Simultaneously, we have asked them to give us the list of all the commercial consumers so that we can prioritize the commercial users especially. From what I have been given to understand, yes, there have been certain times when the domestic consumers have been returned, but as of now, the government has placed a restriction that any urban consumer can only get a cylinder after 25 days of the previous cylinder, and simultaneously a rural consumer can only get it after 45 days of the previous cylinder. What we have directed the gas agencies is that they must make sure that those who are in need should not be returned. Simultaneously, the government norms though have to be followed because they are bound by that. But apart from that, it should be strictly on a first come, first served basis so that there is no opportunism, there is no favoritism that is taking place, and justice is done to everyone so that nobody is unjustly deprived of their legitimate rights of the gas cylinders. The shortage is on both fronts, both the domestic as well as commercial. The supply is relatively lesser as what it used to be. However, I appeal to all the consumers that they need not panic. The government is trying to make sure that all the domestic as well as consumer commercial needs are met, and it's just that we want to request to the public to have some patience and abide by the norms that have been set in. That is of 25 days and 45 days for urban and rural consumers.
Halor ka jing e bala ma da ki gas agency nakaliang utray ka Ribhoi gas agency uba Victor Max Runja ulayat hu bakum ke agency kalama jing e ban pen biang ki tendong le ershan bat ula ong bagi company ki baju pen poi ki tendong le ershan kila kular ban pen poi hakapor ka babiang katba nakaliang ka senjuk kirang ba shnong Ribhoi district lingba uba PB Makdo ulapan pawi ka jing song kya halo ka jing mat jing e jing ki pat ba habaya de bat ki tindong le ershan bat kerpat ru ya ka sarkar ban shim kya mardor halor ka jing tu na jing ki tindong le ershan bat ban pen poi hakapor ka babiang
company ngiyo kataka assurance pa tamdan da kataka jing tu na stock tabakan di depan India problem pi pamdi tang hani am kaliya tingin na notice ni te ka company hi kaile ka bala ben bahkan sabtang kan ka mari ban resort mon nam sa perfect di pagbat takaraw ni imdan na kataka jing na stock tamalong no kani ka jing stock jing mata ni hari bhai tam halo ni yo lai hajatli ka booking kadina pi ka jing yo jungi taraw ka iduna kan supply te nadu man Friday ro kamyo te nginang syom tas ni te gidan lu lai hajat booking te atok te kala duna mungin supply berapa lai hajat tahi teman on banduna te ngiyo assurance untuk ni te pamna na ka duna Saturday ngiyo last te mata kasi nadu Friday nadu man Saturday nang syom tas ni meaning by this whole week ngiyo tam tas ni kataru ka poitang atli katok te ajar mo booking ta Yang kadunay katong pwede. Bis sa araw gidi buwan gidi ginan gidi PMUY. Jadi gini kalau pemi kata protokol berkemai ba kini ki ba yok dang sio gas mata ki yok ban adin 45 days ki yok gas ben. Ya asam jenjar kini kata ru. 45 days ka simpori ki begini yok gas ben begini yok ban refill ben. Jadi gini protokol mentar kalau asam jenjar hingi bangin supply pet baru. Tan mega meeting ba DC supply department ka company lu haju ko komunitas ni lu kada bejir ngidan meeting tentang ni LPG crisis ngidan mentar. Kerana baki pajak kini kinyo kan ketuka kantam yang kami kali ajengi riboi jengi mungkin lebih sufficient stok mah mungkin lebih supply pajak. Saya kata jengi dah ni ditang non supply esok na. Nak kali jengi dah ditang masuk upload pergi kihan mungkin tu mau menyerap jengi bangin yo penting pajak. Mungkin non spokesperson jengi public ya. Tai main jengi teman ta. Nama kajing indan jengi kajing order jengi dengan indan ben ya order ben maksi. Hukum supply chain jongi ke mentaro pendapat labun masih poi tro ki pajak kreatif lawan pe hagu daun jongi kita jongi la jenja ban mina bro no te ka apa ka diga ka panic booking jongi bro te ka turu ka wan pen jenja jongi haban print kani ka receipt te bun sin ngi check pat gidi itu bila kabio gas te atoma sistem jongi pat ngi hap ni jelo bayaki te gitu gibril gidi ban yo kimyo su alam ta tanah ada gibril di panik alam kilang panik booking nyele ka ban lahi ban tusu na kaliang jongi doni ka awareness ban om bawa juk saya ka gas ban poi pet na ni te ban om bu gas ni bu na ba ipai bai don kam so ngiru ka di business jongi ngin subuh untuk dan kima agensi ban hot i kum turu nam tip kita mengipat nyele ban ai bai ipai ba masan penting yang bejaki nambah ngim kwa ka ba nonta ma syat ketiu kam tam ni kena school bikilet school kam tam ini for exam ni college ma na school tai mo sai jung third point jungi ya kajeng bagi syam ikut kat ke agency kalong ba ki delivery boy jungi ki showroom staff jungi ki syam jeng nomor baki yo ngolong bunsen ki sakran sakan tho tamde ko phone jungki ki leki trai be hadu ko buje ko buje ro banya le banya phone ni pajba bakinya wan syam ga ga sakal apoi te gila kia along na muki gila res kajing jong na dik hamtam na inawa ki happen deliver swa itu ki bring la book swa first priority gidi gitu tamba ki haban ya kasnong ka thaw jong ki brio kirang ki brio pa booking kisa kran ni kisa kan doi teng teng du das nei nga kusai jeng safety and security jong ki showroom ki delivery boy songa te kata di go main du banga sam jong mga kum ka agency jongi
ngedei bakane ka don sisa ka jing song khaya ka bajor na kalyang jongi ki nong ilam snong bat na kalyang ki nong song snong jong kari boy hi brokwe markum bangi i ka statement ka minister la ai managini ki singi i buong ba kanam don gano ka jing kerdo ya ki gas ten rai kum bagalong pat menta ba ki pajba jong gadong ri boy khamtam ngia yang lain ro ngimyo upli boyang na do stek ro ngimyo ki ong ba kam don ka supply te hai kata ka jing kular jong minister ba ong ba don jing kerdo gas namar gi baboni haribo district menta hakleng gi jaka lapun slor ban thangkas marngim kwa su ban thang de gi ding khamtam ma ka sor nong po le gi i ba gi babon ki penangkam de ni ka kaslenda andre ka jingkular jong minister ka sulong tang ka jingkran labla ka baklem don nong remi ai e hne ka port bo menta na galyang kasunjuk rang bas nong riboy district ngida kentujur ya ka sarkar ba kamdei ban chupenlong kamkai ka jing yadei bagani ban chukular thok yangi ki pajba marwat penjenja yangi lada don ong bai don lada ong don ro ong bai don khtang mengintip ya ka ba kumno ban penkre de gwe ki lat kelenti rei kum bagalong menta te ngidap sisa ta jing isne ki pajba namar yang lan klamyo ka gas ki ong bom don supply ka jing kran jong minsta kadai ka bathok kadai ka babakla kam don jing idei ai kumba ukular ba ong ba on don jing kerdo Henry kadang don penban sibun ke jing kerdo aga jing edai batki selenda